What's up, boys and girls? In today's video we have 300 coins and our goal is 300 coins to 1000 on rain.gg. I have something new to announce. We have a freaking free leaderboard on rain.gg. You can see the syskeys.willfeast.net. We have a free as wager leaderboard, as you can see on the screen. The price is currently set at 20 coins, first to fifth place, getting paid. If more people wager, that means the price will increase. Simply, you only need to click deposit. You swap this one to code Syskeys. I have a stroke. You change it to 7 days and you apply code Syskeys, and now you click apply code Syskeys and wager under my code. We drop daily free promo codes, free battles. We're tipping, we're live every single day, and another video means more hidden promo codes. So keep an eye out for hidden promo codes. They will be non-code locked, so good luck finding them. Let's make 300 coins into 1000. I think we should start off with a little simple battle right here. One of my good cooks. We should go for one junkyard, one get lucky, 10% mixer, 10% gloves. Then we go down to 5%. We're clicking double slaughterhouse, 5% lore. Let's see, we're gonna start off with this cook and see how it goes. Hopefully we manage to get to 1k or we rinse. I don't know. We will see. Starting off with the 5% lore, almost rain spin. That shit could have sticked. At least I don't think you have any mic blowing today, so you might be happy for me not blowing into the mic. Oh my god, go down. Okay, nice. Come on, Slaughter, pay for us. Pay. Give a good one, please. That's the bottom pill, but we take it. 182 coins. Need one more hit. Unlucky. I mean, it's paying, but not so much. Oh my god, no rain spins. Alright, let us win. Blue, red. There we go, we won that shit. WWW. That was almost no profit. Okay, we're up 6 coins. That's fucking big. Let's try with some 5%ers. To start off, let's do this cook. And we do like one. Should go for like one kingy at the end. Let's try this cook. Let's see what we can get from this cook here. Let's just try to make a 1% cook. Fast mode. Let's just try like maybe 10 of these, 10 of these, 10 of these, and 4 macas. Let's see. We better fucking hit on this shit. This can make the comeback of a lifetime. Let's see. Starting off with 10x hunters. Okay. Third case hits. Give me something nice, bro. Give me something nice. Let's see. Okay, that's nice, I guess. 100 coins. We take it. We need more pulls, though. Let's see what we can get. Okay. Now we're moving on to the sticks case. I pulled 9 on this before. Let's see if we can do it today. Okay, we hit it. Okay. Show me something nice, please. Okay, that's better than the bottom pull. That's fucking nice. We take that. 153 coins. Nice. Okay, it's paying. It's paying already. Let's see if we can hit one more rain spin. We're going on to 10 birthdays. Let's see. Let's see. Looking dry. Going on to the macaw for macaw. Let's see. Only one. Come on. Last one. Okay, let us win. Blue, red. No, that was so fucking close. That was so fucking close. Okay, we are rinsing fast. We are rinsing fast. If we just go to like dub. No, we should go to like upgrader. Smack in 25. And we do a 5x. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Should we do it one more time? Okay. One more time. We can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Okay, one more. 20 coins. Boom. Come on, please be the one now. Go. Stop. Okay, there we go. Okay. We're a little back. We take that. 245. Okay. We're only down 55 now. Almost up. Let's cook another one. We need like good cook here for sure. One fidget spinner. Let's do some 10%. Just like this 100 coin cook. Please. Okay. Let's start off with the justice. Justice single tribal. Come on. Okay, first case. Nothing. Come on. Go down, bro. That's fucking our odds, bro. Okay. Need some rain spins here. Okay, at least we trade. We traded. Okay, rain spins here. Hello. 10% budget. Come on. Did you see all rain spins went by so early and then none at the end? Okay. Slaughter, please, bro. Okay. Go down. Fuck. Come on, bro, please. Okay, go down. Double pull. Okay. This can be fucking good. Please. Be a good pull now. No Navaya knife. Okay, that's better. Come on, please win. Fidget spinner, come on. Last case. Kingy, come on. Don't go down. Okay, let us win. Blue, red, yellow. Oh! There we go. That's fucking nice. We are 16 coins profit. Should do like a cook like that again. I'm going for like 2 5% gems, 2 5% Asimovs, 1 5% gloves. Then we should do like one guns case and 1 bonky swag. This should be the cook. Okay, lock the fuck in. 5% gem. Come on. Show us something nice. Okay, nothing on the first case. Let's get it at second one. Show me the rain spin, baby. Oh my god. That was very unnecessary. Okay, 5% Asimov. Nothing. Come on, last 5% Asimov. Please. Okay, go down. Okay, we take 5% Asimov. Give me a good one. Come on. Gold. Okay, that's nice. That's fucking nice. 300. Okay, we gotta win this shit. It's already paying. Go down again. No, that would be nice. This case can fuck us up. Okay, it didn't fuck us up. That's fucking nice. Okay, come on, last case. Bonky swag. Okay, it's paying. Blue, red, yellow. Fuck! That shit paid. Loki, we should run that shit back. We are running it back. I'm believing it. We are chasing it. That was a 500 coin jackpot. That sucked. And make sure you click deposit. You enter code Syskeys when you wager. Free ass wager leaderboard. You can see the domain. It's freaking free. Just letting you know that. Okay, 5% gems. Didn't pay shit. Okay, 5%, come on. Okay, there we go. Give me the fucking M4. This case is good, bro. Come on. AK or M4? Go down, go down. Oof! That's the fucking top pull. Okay, 600 coins. Come on, lock the fucking. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, we need to win this shit. Holy fuck, we need to win this. This is the comeback. Come on, bro. Please, 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 please. Green and pink. Green, pink, purple. Come on. Pull. No, 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 no. That's not good. Green, pink, come on. No. No, 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 no. Please snipe it. Please snipe it. This shit gonna pay. If it's a goal, it's gonna pay. Okay, this shit paying. Come on. Blue, red, yellow. Please. Please, please. Stop, 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 stop! Fuck! That was so close. Holy fuck, that paid. We would have been back. We should have been on 400 then. Fuck. We need more. We need one all-in. Like 3 slaughterhouse. 10% knife. Okay, this is the one. This is the one battle. Please. Come on, come on, come on. Is this a sign? Is this a sign? Please be a sign. Come on. Okay. 2 pulls on this case and I'm happy, bro. Oh my god, it's so dry. Come on. Okay, that's fucking nice. Don't give me the butter knife. Don't give me butter knife, please. No butter knife. And we get the butter knife. We get the butter knife. Oh my god. Stop! At least, bro. Okay, last case. Bonky swag, please. Clutch this shit up. It does not. Can we win it? Blue, red, yellow. Okay, we won it. It's not profit, but we take it. 64 back. Should we do one big case? Maybe a creator case. 65 coin creator case. That is crunchy. We should do one crunchy case. Okay, let's go. Let's go. One case, come on. Please, please, please. Fuck. Yep. I think we fucked up. I think we fucked up. Okay, we have 2.38. Let's go to double all in. 20x 3 times in a row. Can I move it? Let's be here. Oh my god, so close. Yep. We didn't manage to get to 1k. Unfortunately, we rinsed 300 coins. If you didn't find any promo codes, you should rewatch this video. We will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.